Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common problem with Maytag washing machines, that frustrating grinding noise. If your machine is from the 2025 models or earlier, don't worry. We've got you covered with easy, step-by-step fixes. First off, let's talk about why this happens. A grinding noise often signals something mechanical is off, like worn-out bearings, a loose drive belt, or even an unbalanced load. It's not just annoying. It could lead to bigger issues if ignored, so let's get it sorted quickly. Start by ensuring your safety. Unplug the machine and turn off the water supply. Now, check for obvious problems. Open the washer and look inside the drum for any loose coins, buttons, or small objects that might be causing the racket. If that's clear, next up is checking the load balance. Overloading or uneven distribution can make the machine vibrate and grind. Redistribute your clothes evenly and try a test cycle. If the noise persists, it's time to inspect the more technical parts. For 2025 Maytag models, the drive belt might be slipping or worn. You'll need to remove the back panel. Use a screwdriver for this, and visually check the belt for any cracks or looseness. If it looks damaged, replacing it is straightforward and affordable. Another common culprit is the bearings in the tub. If you hear grinding during the spin cycle, these might need lubrication or replacement, but that's a job for someone with tools and experience. Pro tip: always refer to your user manual for your specific model, as Maytag has updated designs in 2025 for better efficiency. Once you've fixed it, run an empty cycle to test. If the grinding continues, it might be an electrical issue or something more serious, so call a certified technician to avoid voiding your warranty. There you have it. Simple steps to silence that grinding noise and get your Maytag washing machine running smoothly again. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.